Check to see where the ice maker is in the refrigerator before you begin cleaning the refrigerator. If it is inside the top section of the refrigerator freezer, like this one is, clean it before you clean anything else. Regardless of where the ice maker is, you have to dump the ice and wash the ice container. Using your Tenacity and a purple cloth, clean the area that was behind the ice container. This refrigerator's ice maker is in the bottom freezer bin. You can clean it the same time that you clean the freezer. This refrigerator's ice maker is in the top in the freezer. And notes, first find out where the ice maker is, sometimes it's hidden, and then always dump the ice and clean the inside of the ice tray with Tenacity and a purple cloth.